First, I'm going to start the video by showing you proof of payment. 8 Kaia token. I will show you how to make a payment directly on Binance. Please watch the video from start to finish. 452 USDT. My wallet balance, now click on balance. Now click on the send option. Now you need to enter a wallet address here. I click on the deposit option from my Binance account, Kaia token search, and copy the address now. Now paste the address and click on the next option. Then click on the max option and click on the send option. By clicking on the max option, you can withdraw your total available balance. Here I have given a password which I used while creating the wallet. Watch the video till the end, then you will understand. The most interesting thing is that they make instant payments. Now I'm going to the Binance account and showing you directly. They made the payment instantly. You can see it. I received the payment immediately. Now I will show you how to work. Let's start the video.
There is a link in the video description. When you click on the link, you will join the Telegram channel, and you can see 2 screenshots of the payment proof here. I have shared a total of 3 links with you. From the first link, we have to install the app called Line. Now you have to create an account in a lineup. I request you to watch the video from beginning to end. You won't understand if you drag it out. First, enter your name, then set a strong password twice. Now we will click on link number 2 here. After that, we will ask for permission. You will have to allow the permission. And those who are watching the video must subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is possible to earn $100 daily from here. Go to DApp portal, click here. Our first task is to create a wallet. Click on Connect Wallet. Now we click here to connect to the Line app again. By clicking on every, we can enable the permission and click on the wallet queue option. After that, you check a password, and then you have to set a payment password here again, which is called wallet password. Then click on the connect option and approve it. Now, if you click on my account, which means your account, you can see that your wallet has been created. Now we will return to the Telegram channel. We will click on the 3rd link that I gave here. We will earn 20 cents from here by working here for just 2 minutes. First, you need to connect your wall by clicking on the settings option. Now you have to play the game twice by clicking on the home option. This game is very interesting to play. I am playing this game twice. All of you will play the game twice. Click on the earning option and fill out a capture above to earn more. Okay, after playing the game twice, you have to claim it here. You can click here and claim it. You are not a robot. After completing this capture, you will need to approve the wallet. You will be approved. Again, go back to Telegram and click on the 2nd link and open it again. Look, here you have earned 20 cents. Now you can withdraw it if you want. Well, I'm withdrawing this too and showing it to you. Let's take you back to your Binance account. You can see that they have made the payment instantly. There is no minimum limit here. Now I will give you some ideas on how to complete these tasks, and I will show you the full details of how you can earn from here. Keep in mind that you have to connect your wallet for every tax here most of the time. Actually, filling in the gaps is something you have to do on your own. There's nothing to show for it. You see, I completed this tax. After completing 3 taxes, 1 coin is given. Click on the Get option to get coins. Now you can go to your wallet and check if your dollars have been added. This way you can work as much as you want and earn unlimited income. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.